Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of the Major Telegram bot. I'll show you how to play and make the most out of it. Let's get started. First things first, open your Telegram app. In the search bar at the top, type in MajorBot. Once you've located the bot, click on it and hit the start button at the bottom of the chat. This will activate the bot and you'll receive a welcome message outlining the features. The MajorBot has several commands you can use. Type -help to see a list of available commands. This will guide you through the various features like playing games, checking scores and more. To join a game, simply type -play. The bot will present you options for different games. Choose the one that interests you by typing the corresponding number or command. After selecting a game, follow the instructions provided by the bot. It may ask you to make choices, answer questions, or compete against other players. Make sure to pay attention to the rules. To see how you're doing, you can use commands like -score or -stats to check your progress and compare it with other players. This adds a fun competitive element to your gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.